go, get out, get out, get out, get out. Good dog, get out, get out, get out, get out, get out, get out. Good dogs.
Don't their feet get cold?
They don't.
Oh.
You know, they act like little punks.
Really?
Oh.
You know, so every time they step, shing blood up and down their leg. So basically, and they pant. And so when a dog pants, they're actually moving, 7 times as much oxygen through their lungs, through their body as a human.
Really?
Yeah. And that's one of the reasons their muscles can work like this.
Oh.
Because we can't do this. There's no 10 humans in the world we could hook up and have them pull us around here this fast. And plus, they'd all be fighting, and no one want to be on the wheel, and half of them would want to get paid for nothing, and you know how it is.
Right.
Yep. Good dogs. Snow goat's trying to get us there. Good dogs, good dogs.